Welcome to Java Tour 2017, featuring your host, Bruno Souza.
Hi everyone, thanks for being here. We're here at the Java Tour US 2017, and we're visiting lots of different places in the US to talk about Java user groups and having talk about Java, career, and cloud computing. That's an amazing trip, and so um, we are here in Hot Springs, Arkansas. Thanks everyone for being here and watching us. So I'm Bruno Souza. I'm known as the Brazilian Java Man. I'm going to talk a little bit about the 5 mistakes that Java developers make that prevent them from growing their career. So mistakes number 5, right? Not practicing the tools. Every time you don't practice, you're a software developer. You need to know your tools very well. You need to know your IDE. You need to know your language that you're using. You need to know the libraries that you call in. Don't expect that you're just gonna, because you're working on this, you automatically gonna know it. You gotta practice, right? So take some time to practice your tools. That's gonna be very important for you. Mistake number 4 developers make that prevent them from growing their career is focus only on the technology. You gotta know the technology to be part of the game, right? You gotta know, you gotta practice and be part of it. But focus only on technology will get you, to a mediocre career, right? So don't do this. Understand that there's other things you need to learn. You need to understand about soft skills. You need to understand how to present things. You need to understand how to communicate, right? Being a good communicator will help you doing in discussions, in meetings, and in presenting your ideas, and get yourself known and respected. So not only technology is not enough, right? Uh, Mistake number 3 developers make to prevent them from growing their career: not sharing what you know. I'm not talking about sharing things that you don't know yet, or learning things specifically for sharing, but you got to share what you know, right? Software development is done by people for people, and so you got to work with other people and sharing what you know. That's the best way. That's going to help you when you do presentations, when you do blog posts, when you do Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn. All those things will help you meet other people, meet other developers, and that's the best way for you to work on great projects. Working on great project will get your career moving the right direction, right? So share whatever you know. Mistake number 2, not having a focus, right? A focus is extremely important. There's lots of people, they want to share, but they share anything, right? They share what they ate yesterday. They share, uh, things about everything they learned. No, you got to have a focus. You got to be known about to be good at something, right? So I have a little phrase here. They're going to help you, right? Get a focus. I help people do this so they can have that. I call this the celebrity focus phrase, right? I help people do this so they can have that. This is what you do. That is what they want. You can get anything in your life if you help enough people get what they want. So create your focus phrase. I help people do this so they can have that. Mistake number 1 developers make that prevent them from growing their career is doing it alone. Don't do it alone, right? Join a user group. Join the Adopt JSR, the Adopt the OpenJDK. Join an open source project. Go do other people. Bring your friends together to do a project. Go do projects for other people, right? Doing it alone will slow you down. It's every time you work with other people, you're gonna learn more. You're gonna do more, right? So take those 5 tips and make sure that your career is moving in the right direction. Thanks for watching.
And remember, when you're in your national parks, please don't litter.